Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is in partnership with Best Buy. Now, right now, at the time of making this video, up until March 25th, Best Buy is giving away a $100 gift card with the purchase of a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So, if you're looking for a pretty amazing tablet and you want a little bit of something extra to go with that, I encourage you to use the link down in the description below because Best Buy will give you a $100 gift card along with the purchase of this tablet right here. But in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing this, giving my first impressions on it, and yeah, we're gonna check it out. And I've actually been really excited to check out this tablet right here. Got my unboxing knife right here in front of me. Now, if we go to the back of the box here, it's going to tell us, what comes in it. So we got the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, of course, with that beautiful 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display. We also get the S Pen with that pen to paper like feel. Can't wait to try that out. And then we got the charging cable, the quick start guide, Samsung terms and conditions, all that good stuff. But I got my unboxing knife right here. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Cut the top, cut the bottom. All right, let's do this. I am excited to check this out. Here we go, here we go. All right, we got the top off right here. Set that over to the side, and here it is. So I'm assuming I pulled this up. Ooh, this is super thin right here. Okay, so they got it wrapped in this nice, it's kind of like a cloth-like covering that they got all the way around. It feels really, really good. Got a little Samsung branding right there in the front, and then in the back, it shows pretty much where the S Pen is going to go. So really nice here. So let me go ahead and let's see, how do I do this? Where am I going? All right, so in the back right here, we could pull this back, and then I'll just let it slide right out. Woo! This is a big tablet. I've never had a tablet this big or even used one this big. Now I do notice a little notch up at the top where the cameras are going to sit. Ooh, this is nice. And it's not even on yet. This is really nice. Let's check out the back of the tablet. The back looks really good too. Sound by AKG, and then we got the cameras in the back as well, and the spot for the S Pen. Let me go ahead and give you guys a little close-up right there. That's what that's going to look like. Really, really nice. I'll go ahead and set this over to the side for now. Actually, I'm gonna let it turn on. Let's check out the power button. Let's see. I'm assuming this is going to be the power button right here. Do we have any juice? And we do have some juice. We got the Samsung branding pop-up right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this over to the side. What else comes in the box? We get the S Pen, of course. Look at that, really good size S Pen. Actually feels like a real pen in the hand. So this is really, really nice. I'll go ahead and set that over to the side. Let's see, what else did we get in here? We got a little box right here with some Samsung branding. And then of course the USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. That's always good to have. No charging brick in the box. Let's go ahead and see. We got the SIM ejector tool, or SD. Does this have an SD card slot? I don't know. We're gonna find out. We'll see. And then terms and conditions. And that is all that comes in the box. So let me set the whole box over to the side. There we go. I'll leave it right here on the couch next to me. And the tablet is whoa, look at that display. That is a huge display. I mean, it is looking beautiful so far, and it looks like it's going to be a nice bright display as well. Very little bezel all around the edge, so it's not too thick of a bezel, which is nice, but it's still thick enough to where you can comfortably hold it in your hand and not accidentally, touch the edges with the palm of your hands or your fingers or anything like that. So it's actually looking pretty good. Now going to the left side, or what would this be considered? This would, I guess if you're holding it this way, this would be considered the top. It looks like we have two speakers, one on the left, one on the right. We got a microphone right there. Going to the side, we got the power button and the volume rockers, microphone as well. And let's see what's in here. Let me get the ejector tool right here, and we're gonna see what is in here. All right, got this open. Got a little slot for a micro SD card slot. So yes, this does come with a micro SD card slot. Oh my goodness, this might be my new editing tool for my videos, because I've always used the Note 20 Ultra to edit my videos because it has a micro SD card slot. But this has one, so I think I just found myself my new little thing right here to edit the videos for the channel. I'm pretty excited, not gonna lie. And then the fact that it comes with an S Pen, that is amazing. Okay, going to the bottom here, we got the speaker, a charging input USB Type-C, and another speaker, what it looks like. And then over to the other side, it looks like there's a spot right here where we can possibly connect a keyboard. It looks like we have magnets right here. So that is pretty cool. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign into the tablet so we can take a look through it and start using it and kind of give you my first impressions just based off kind of using it. So let me go and sign in real quick. All right, so I am back ready to go, all signed in. It's still kind of setting itself up, but my goodness, this display is massive, but absolutely beautiful. And I say this in a lot of Samsung videos when it comes to their devices. I mean, they are the best in the game when it comes to displays. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this display right here on the Tab S8 Ultra. Now, I was just kind of messing around a little bit here before I started recording again, and this S Pen, I gotta tell you, it is super responsive. I mean, it seems like there is no latency between this and the display, especially when you go into a note. Let me go ahead and go into a note here. It's gonna allow me to write if I want to, and it actually feels like I'm writing on paper. So if I wanna write something like, you know, subscribe so you don't miss out on any other future content to come. But I mean, it is so nice. If I want to draw a happy face, a heart, whatever, I mean, it is super responsive. There is like no latency. So loving this S Pen so far. Like I said, super responsive, especially on this massive display. Now, one cool thing is in the back, like I mentioned earlier, it has that strip in the back, that magnetic strip that holds the S Pen. And the cool thing is that if you set it down on its back, there's no wobble effect. The S Pen just kind of, you know, props up the tablet a little bit. So there is no wobble effect at all. And this is nice if you kind of want to type like this or something. And another cool thing that they got is an in-display fingerprint sensor. So check this out. Boom, look at that. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Ready? Let's see, where's the power button? Let's do it again. Boom. Let's do it again. Ready? Boom. It works every time. Boom. I haven't had a time yet where it missed. One more. Boom. Pretty cool. So nice that they have that spot for the S Pen right there. And it actually charges the S Pen wirelessly too. So you don't have to worry about, you know, hooking the S Pen up to something else or, you know, plugging it in or anything like that. You just set it right there magnetically and it starts charging it for you. Now, another cool thing about this tablet right here is that it's got some cameras as well. So we got some selfie cameras and we got some rear facing cameras as well. So let's go ahead and test these out. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the camera app here. Let's see, turn on location tags, not at the moment. Let's go and check out the selfie camera first, because you know I got some decent lighting right here around me. So let's go and do this. I'm not really the selfie type of guy, so it's already on photo mode. Let me go ahead and give it a little smile. What's up? And let's try out portrait mode as well. There we go. All right, let's check out these pictures. Okay, whoa, okay, I don't look the prettiest here, but that portrait mode's looking really good. And this is with the selfie camera. Okay, whoa. And look at it, it's actually did a pretty good job around my hair as well. All right, I gotta say I'm impressed with the portrait mode on this front-facing camera, and this is the regular lens right here. Pretty good. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed for a tablet. I've never seen a tablet with cameras that good. All right, so I got the rear-facing camera now. Let's see. This is what I'm seeing right now. So let's see if I can take a picture of you guys. I got the lights facing towards me, so lighting is probably not gonna be the best with this because it's facing this way, not that way. But you know, let's try this anyways. Let's see. Let's go into photo here. Let me take the picture. Boom. Maybe if I bring down the exposure a little bit, maybe it'll look a little bit better. Let's try it out. Boom. All right. So this is what I'm seeing right now in front of me. All right, that was a little dark. All right, not too bad. That rear camera is actually pretty good. Then you can zoom in, get a closer look at your picture that you took. Okay, not too bad. Now, another cool thing about this rear-facing camera is that you have a wide-angle lens as well. So it's a 0.5 wide-angle lens. You got 1x zoom, 2x zoom, 4x zoom, and you can go all the way to 8x zoom. So pretty cool there. Let's go ahead and check out a video. Let's see if I go into video here. Of course, you can take a video with the front-facing camera. Let's see, we can record up to 4K 30 frames per second with this front-facing camera. Now, if I go to the rear, let's see, we can record up to 4K 30 frames per second as well. So we got some 4K video recording with the cameras on this tablet. Amazing. Now I want to check out what it's like to watch content on here. Now I did go into a YouTube video, one of my own videos, of course. All right, so just jumped into my video here, and my goodness, this looks amazing. And you can also do the pinch to zoom if you want to widen it and use the full display here. Let's go ahead and make sure this is at the highest quality. There we go. And let's check out the speakers as well. Really curious to see how loud these can get on this phone as well. And everything is going to be handheld. There's not going to be any handheld tripod or gimbal or anything like that. I'm just simply going to be holding out the phone just like this. Not too bad. Recording whatever. Actually getting pretty loud. Loud enough for me at least. On this phone right here too. So and it looks so good. This display. Okay, let me turn this down. My goodness, this display is beautiful. I am not disappointed at all. I think I'm definitely going to be watching a lot of content on this tablet right here, especially when it comes to editing my own videos. This is definitely going to be my go-to device right here to edit videos now, especially because it has the SD card slot. Just pop it out of my camera, pop it in here, boom, start editing, especially because I got the S Pen right here. My goodness, absolutely beautiful. Loving this huge display. But I got to say, as far as first impressions go for this tablet right here, absolutely beautiful. Love the color in the back as well. It's not really a glossy finish, it's more of a matte finish. Again, we got that magnet in the back for the S Pen that's going to charge it as well. The camera's really excited to continue trying out maybe I'll do a full separate video with the cameras on this tablet right here. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'll do like a full 4K video test like I usually do. I'll take some pictures and stuff as well. But my full review will be coming later on once I have gotten to use this, you know, a lot more. But my goodness, absolutely beautiful. So far, I'm impressed with this. I'm really excited to start using this. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Like I said, if you want to take advantage of getting that $100 gift card from Best Buy, make sure you use my special link down in the description below to purchase one of these for yourself, so you don't miss out on that deal. Like I said, you have up until March 25th from the time of making this video. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other featured videos to come. Again, this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.